If you want more Python sound, you must clip it. Code Spuds, whether or not you are denizens of Devo, in this quickie lesson we'll learn to clip it good to connect any speaker with an audio jack to a CircuitPlayground board. Of course, you might not want to do this, but if you do, you have the freedom of choice. And if you're new to the playlist, here's where you can catch up on the goodness that brought us all to this point. Now, it's cool that Circuit Playgrounds have a built-in speaker. Most boards don't have that, but if you want your audio to be louder, you can clip a Circuit Playground to any external speaker that has a standard audio jack. This technique works with other boards too, you just need different wires. I'll explain how to do this when we cover audio in a Pico lesson later in the course. But I'm using simple alligator clips here. You can buy these super cheap just about anywhere, and I'm using what's called a hamburger speaker. You can use any speaker that has a standard audio jack, but I like these speakers. You also want speakers with their own power source. These are USB speakers, but they have internal batteries, so they work great with portable projects. I bought a bunch of these $5.50 ones for my students from DigiKey. And the way you clip them is you clip one end using an alligator clip to the GND pad. That's the ground pad. There are 3 of these on the Circuit Playground boards. The other end clips to the base of the audio jack sleeve, and then you clip the other wire to the audio pad. These are sometimes called pins, by the way. They have the same function as the pins that you'd see in a traditional microcontroller with the little insect legs soldered to them. We'll cover pins and pinouts in a future lesson. But the other end of this wire from the audio pad on your Circuit Playground clips to the tip of the audio jack on your speaker. This is the wiring diagram, and this is what setup looks like in real life. So you can see where I've clipped things on the board and on the audio jack on my speaker. Cool. Let's save and play. Much louder. You don't need the extra speaker, but it's nice to have for projects. These speakers are also nice because many of them have some sort of volume control. The basic wave play code that I showed you in the prior lesson doesn't allow for you to programmatically control volume. I will show you some more advanced programmatic volume control techniques in a future lesson, but until then, I hope this helped, Pythonistas. Keep following the excellence in your course playlist. There are many more skills queued up so you can make something awesome.